Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to disable mute all sounds on Samsung smartphones. If your smartphone has no sounds, and you can't switch from silent to sound, then it's not a hardware problem. Go to Settings and click on Sound. On the Settings, click on Sound menu and try to enable sound. Just below you will see the message all sounds are muted. To activate the sound, go back to the Settings menu. Scroll down and click on Accessibility. Now click on Hearing Enhancement. Move the switch to the off position. Go to home screen and activate sound. Thank you for watching and I wish you a good day.